Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the ultimate summer fun with the best mega pool and beach party favors available in the market. If you're planning a pool party or heading to the beach, you don't want to miss out on these amazing finds. Imagine this: a comprehensive set of 48 pieces packed with everything kids need for a day of sun-soaked adventure. This kit includes essentials like 8 inflatable beach balls, perfect for games in the water, 8 vibrant sand buckets and shovels for building epic sand castles, 8 mini water squirters for splash battles, 8 reusable water balls, and 8 stylish kid sunglasses. It's all about making summer unforgettable. Why settle for ordinary when you can have extraordinary? This set isn't just about toys, it's about creating memories. Whether you're a parent planning a party or a caregiver looking for the perfect gift, these pool party favors are a hit with kids aged 3 to 8. They're designed to spark imagination, encourage active play, and ensure hours of laughter under the sun. In conclusion, the Pool Party Favors Beach Party Favors set by GIFTINBOX is more than just a collection of toys. It's a ticket to an unforgettable summer. Whether you're planning a poolside extravaganza or gearing up for beach fun, this set delivers on quality, variety, and affordability. Don't miss out on creating lasting memories this summer. Click the link in the description to get yours today and let the fun begin. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on the best products out there. Stay tuned for our next episode.